How to schedule a Google Meet in advance. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you schedule a Google Meet in advance. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Google Meet on your device. After you open Google Meet with your account, at the bottom, simply tap on New. Now from here, simply tap on Schedule. From here, choose for your Google Calendar or you can open it on your browser. After you open Google Calendar with your account, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you can give a title for your meeting like anything from here. After that, simply select the time or date for your meeting. Simply select date from here and as well as time, and you can check the option for do not repeat or all day. After that, you can also manage the settings for your Google Meet by tapping on the settings icon. Now from here, you can as usual add any settings for your Google Meet. Simply tap on save. After that, on this section you can add any location notification, you can add any description. After you made all of the setting constant for your Google Meet and added your date and time, simply tap on save at the top right. After you tap on that Google Meet will saved on your Google Calendar and you can schedule from there. And that's it. This is the method you can schedule a Google Meet in advance. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.